Congratulations, you are now the regional manager of 5 local Chick-fil-A's. And just like an instructional coach, school principal, district leader, you got to have meetings about data and see how things are going. So you go in to visit the local Chick-fil-A, and the owner operator there, you ask the operator how it's going, and the owner operator says, it is going great. We're doing great. And then you say, as evidenced by what? We got a better peanut oil, can be used 25% longer than the previous peanut oil product. We've shortened the time for both driving and curbside service. Cashiers are meeting weekly to discuss performance and best practice. Each team has developed SMART goals to improve over the next quarter and embedded performance formative assessments to learn how to better support each employee. So we're pinpointing what employees need to move the needle forward. I ask you, is this report complete enough for you? Is there anything missing? How much chicken did we sell, baby? Isn't that the bottom line? Chicken. How many chicken sandwiches did we sell, baby? That's what's missing. Now, are all these bullets important? Absolutely. All these bullets feed the bottom line, but if you don't ever get to the bottom line, then this is all a compliance play. They're good soldiers. They're going through the motions. They're going through the process. They're doing the work. They're busy. But you knew right away what was missing. Where are the chicken sales, baby? You knew that was missing. And I'm telling you, this is what happens in a PLC.